first time we met, you talked about data centers, and that really got me thinking, and I did some deep reading, and everybody thinks data centers are about electricity, but there's another very big important factor, is water.
Yes.
And you've got to have a big water resource, and the Waipa has water coming out its ears.
Yes. Now, I'm not predicting what happens in Waipa in terms of a data centre, but I mean, if you just run through it, you know, countries that lead in AI and technology more broadly are going to lead the way economically and living standards, you know, for the rest of this century, I've got no doubt. New Zealand can absolutely be part of that. We can have an advantage in energy. We certainly have, in a natural sense, an advantage in water. Put all that together, and the proposition around data centres fueling AI, fueling economic growth is very, very compelling, and you know, could be a reality here in New Zealand. It is energy hungry, it is water thirsty, but you know, we have the means to do that. This in a small way, you know, it's not going to be all the energy you need for, you know, even one data centre, but this in a small way could be part of that solution, along with, you know, solar, wind, gas, hydro, geothermal, you know, tidal even. We probably need it all, and that's really the point here. Actually, you know, don't exclude options artificially. Don't put your head in the sand like the ostrich does on waste energy. You know, we can go from waste that is dead, that is worse, that is, you know, is at a level creating problems for the environment at the level at which we're doing it. You know, we literally everything is going in. We can turn that into something efficient, productive, job creating, economy enhancing, but that's also, you know, in a sustainable sense, you know, a relatively clean process that's been tried and true and tested offshore. So, you know, no brainer.